Hey Fluffy Jets, thanks for checking out this LEGO toy review.
Yummy box of cookies. Wait, this no cookie? This the Hobbit Lego. Me one cookie, maybe I can still find something tasty inside. What you think? Me not sure how to open box, me let you do it. Here is the instruction booklet, me not eat. And here is the Lego pieces. Me want you to build very quickly because me very hungry. Very good. You made the Lego Riddles of the Ring very quickly. The question is, which one can I eat? This one looks tasty. Me want cookie, but I be very good. I will not eat the Lego. Lego not very tasty anyway. So I tell you about these toys. So here we have Gollum. His other name is Smeagol, and Smeagol like fish. He like to eat lots of fish, but he also play the riddle with Bilbo over here. Bilbo Baggins. Bilbo Baggins has the sword, and he find the ring. So to make the ring appear in the Lego set, you turn this handle there.
Ah, okay, thanks Cookie Monster. So we turn the handle, and there's the one ring. Well, hello there. What's your name?
My name is Smeagol.
Well, it's lovely to meet you, and look, I really like that ring. I don't suppose that's yours, is it?
I've had enough of that ring. It's driven me crazy and taken off most of my hair. Just take it away from me. I do not want it anymore.
Okay, I'll take the ring then, I guess. Wow, what a beautiful ring. My name is Bilbo Baggins, and today is a good day.
No, my bad. You seem like a nice guy. Hobbit says, what is your cell phone number?
Wow, so nice to see you again. Sure, here's my number.
My diary says that I'm free on Wednesday.
How about lunch?
Smeagol also likes pizza.
Excellent. See you on Wednesday for pizza. Okay, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Well, there's nothing quite... Oh!
Fluffy Jet.